sent a dozen roses, hope she got it. I wear my heart all on my sleeve, I gotta stop it. All my niggas working, grinding for the profit. I take off, Jimmy with the rocket. I sent a dozen roses, hope she got it. I wear my heart all on my sleeve, I gotta stop it. All my niggas working, grinding for the profit. I take off, Jimmy with the rocket.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the gang. It is Shar for those of you who are new here, and for those of you who have been here before and you know what's up, welcome back. Thanks for returning. You a real one. What is that? Anyway, y'all know what's going on right now. It's Valentine's Day look season, and we're doing it big. We're doing pinks, we're doing reds, we're doing purples, we're doing it all. Any color that I can get that reminds me of Valentine's Day, we're doing it. That's why I started early, because I want to make sure that I can, experiment and have a lot of fun. I do have some good look ideas. Today was very whatever happens, happens. I knew I wanted to use pink, and this is what I came up with. So, if you guys want to see how I got here from A to Z, then you need to keep watching. If you're new here, you already know what I'm about to say. So might as well hit the subscribe button so we don't have to go through this every single time. If you're new, don't block your blessings this year. The year just started. Start off on the right foot. Hit that subscribe button so you can spend your 2018 with me, because we are all glowing and growing on this channel this year. And why wouldn't you want to be a part of that? I want you to be a part of it. We're a family over here. We're comfortable on this channel. We're confident on this channel. We're unique on this channel. And I want that for you. You should want that for yourself. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like I said, don't block your blessings. And for those of you who are like, dang, she is a brown-skinned goddess and she has so much brown skin. Goodness. Then you can get more. You don't have to stop here. You can hit subscribe. You can follow me on my social media, X_CNT. I post Snapchat tutorials. I post looks that you won't get on YouTube, on Instagram, with look details. I talk products and other makeup goodies on Twitter. I'm everywhere. I do that for you guys. I do that for y'all, so that you can get your fix any way you like it. I got something for all the addicts. Let's go ahead and get into this video, because things just got weird here and I don't know what else to say or do. Let's do it.
Alright, so we are going to start off this look using a BH Cosmetic Fluffy Crease Brush, and we are taking the color Sweetheart from the Kylie Jenner Valentine's Day duo. Also, I'm listening to music while I do my makeup, so just ignore my singing along throughout this video. I know it gets a little weird, but I'm just jamming, y'all. I'm in my own zone. We are then going to take another BH Cosmetic crease brush, one that is more dense and a little bit more tapered, and we are taking a mauve colored eyeshadow from the Kylie Jenner Burgundy palette, and we are using that to really amp up the crease and make it a little bit more vibrant. The two colors mixed together is just a really good way to get that pop, and you're going to keep blending those to get your desired vibrancy. I wanted this look to be extremely vibrant and pink, so I went ham with my blending, as you guys will see. But I just go back and forth with those two colors, like I said, really making that lid pop. And I'm making sure to really pack those colors in, like I said, to make it super vibrant. If you want to be a little less dramatic, you can definitely use a lighter hand when you do this, so keep that in mind. I am then going to go ahead and start defining what I want my lid to look like. I did want to bring it up into the crease. I was considering doing a halo lid, but instead I just wanted to just kind of do more of just like an ombre center, less of a halo. If you'll see, it's less defined and doesn't make that halo shape. It looks weird now, but it turns out great. So to get this lid to the bright pink that I want it to be, I start off using the color Fiesta. It is a NYX Cosmetics single, and then I top that off, and I think it's called Fulia or Fula from the Juvia's Place Saharan palette. And I use the same BH Cosmetic flat lid brush for both of these colors, and I mix those together to make my base lid color. And you want to make sure that you are really blending those colors in. And then I go in with a Real Technique eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to take the colors Sissy as well as the color Faint from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and that is what's going to make it super shimmery and bright in the center. Both those are the really nice shimmery pink colors, and like I said, we just blend those all together to make that lid have that amazing ombre effect that you want. I then take my Sweetheart from the Kylie Jenner palette as well as my two shimmers from the Jaclyn Hill palette as my brow bone color, and then you'll see I use those colors again later, but we'll come back to that. And I did skip over my foundation only because I really have been doing the same foundation routine. I use the Benefit Cosmetic Oxygen Wow foundation in the color Hazelnut, and for my contour I am using an e.l.f. contour brush and taking the Black Radiance contour palette. I use the darkest shade to contour my face, and then I take a Royal & Lang Nickel Angled brush and use the second darkest color in the Black Radiance contour palette to contour my nose. And I blend both those out with a Real Techniques buffer brush, or like a buffing brush. And then I take another really precise little BH Cosmetic brush, and I take the same three colors, like I said, the Sweetheart from the Kylie Jenner palette as well as my two Jaclyn Hill shimmers, Faint and Sissy, and I use those on my bottom lash line and inner corner. I then spray my face with my NYX Dewy Setting Spray to give myself that super glazy look. I then take a combination of the pink shade from the Kylie Bible palette as well as the shade Moonstone in Summer from the ABH Glow Kit to get my highlight color, and then I take a Real Technique sponge and blend it all out. And then I spray myself again. Now I'm going to go in with the world's best liner, y'all. It is the Maybelline Curvitude liner. This is the best liner I have ever used. I swear to you. The way that the liner is curved makes it so easy to do your eyeliner. I literally could record it both eyes on camera. Of course, I don't show you that, but that's how easy it was. I was able to effortlessly make my wings. I, of course, put all my lashes off camera. I use the Eylure Volume Lashes in the number, I think it's number 5. And then for my lips, I use the Sephora lip liner in the shade Light Brown, and then I use as well another Sephora product, their Cream Lip Stain in the color Blackberry Sorbet for my main lipstick shade, and then I spray my face once again, and then we are done.
Thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this look. There is more where that came from. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more Valentine's Day look. And also, don't miss out on my other videos. Like, I have a bunch of other tutorials on my channel. Go check those out. We talk hair, we talk makeup, we do the looks, we do it all on this channel. We do it big. And you want to be a part of that. If you have not already hit that subscribe button, do not start your 2018 on the wrong foot. Like I said in my intro, we are comfortable over here. Everything's good. We chilling. You can be you. You can be confident in yourself, and you can be unique. This is all about being the best you that you can be. I want you to be all three of those things. Why don't you want to be all three of those things? You can do that here. It's a safe place. Hit subscribe. I literally sound like a man, like the little like creepers in the Stranger Danger vans. That's what I sound like.
Hey yo, subscribe like a kid.
Anyway, that was weird. As well, go ahead and follow me on all my social media, XO_CNT, where all the brown skin goodiness can keep on going. If you do not get your fix from this video, there is more. Follow me on my social media. You can get more of me there. I'm tired. Once again, it's like 4 in the morning. Love you guys. I will see you in the next video. Happy Valentine's Day. Hope your New Year's are starting off great. Bye.
I'm sorry, baby, but we only sweat the checks. So honestly, baby, you can be next. Playing with both sides like you playing with regret. Playing with this size like you playing with a check.